Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg with tomato. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe tomatoes, 2 large eggs, and a small onion. Don't forget 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This simple dish is perfect for any meal of the day. Now, let's prepare our flavorful tomato base. Start by dicing 2 medium tomatoes into small, even pieces. Next, finely chop 1 small onion and 1 clove of garlic. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. This aromatic foundation is key to a delicious dish. Once your aromatics are ready, add the diced tomatoes to the pan. Stir everything together and season with a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavors. Cover the pan and let the mixture simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the tomatoes to soften beautifully and release their delicious juices, creating a rich and vibrant sauce that will perfectly complement our eggs. Finally, it's time to add our eggs. Create 2 small wells in the simmering tomato sauce. Carefully crack 1 egg into each well, being gentle to keep the yolks intact. Cover the pan again and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until the egg whites are set and the yolks are cooked to your preference. Serve this delightful dish immediately, perhaps with some fresh herbs and a slice of crusty toast. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.